Welcome to our English class.
Hello everyone, welcome to Fast Talk Academy. Our today's class will focus on personal pronouns. Let us start. Subject pronouns. These are words that replace nouns. For people who understand Kinyarwanda, I have put for you the meaning. That is the meaning in Kinyarwanda. So use subject pronouns to replace nouns. What are those nouns? Like John, Peter, Josephine, Alice, and so on. Now, the first one is I. I. This is the meaning in Kinyarwanda. You. You can see the meaning in Kinyarwanda. He for male. This is the meaning in Kinyarwanda. She for female. This is the meaning. It for things and animals. This is the meaning. We. This is the meaning. You, this is the meaning. They, this is the meaning. Now, here is the table. This table differentiates or separates singular and plural. This is the meaning of the word singular. This is the meaning of the word plural. Now, I, you, he, she, it. Then in plural we have we, you, and they. We are going to see how they work. We are going to use verb to have. Verb to have means like this in Kinyarwanda. Now we have a rule. We have a rule that we use. I, you, we, and they always go with have because they are in plural. Do you remember the meaning of the word plural in Kinyarwanda? Come back here, you will see the meaning of plural. Now, for he, she, it, they go with has. Why? Because this is a singular. They mean one person. There is exception, not. I goes with have always. I is exceptional. I is in singular, but it always go with have. It is a rule. For example, I have a phone. One person. I have a phone. I have a marker. One person. Now, he has a phone. One person, but who is male? Male. Do you remember what male means? You come here. He for male. Male, this is it. Now, the last one, they have phones. They have phones. Many people, more than one person, goes with have. Thank you so much for following us today. If you wish and you are interested to learn English, this is our contact. You can contact us and we can have classes. We always have online classes for people who want to learn and improve. See you next time.